Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I thought today I would film a what we eat in a day, sort of family meals that we're having today, because I asked on Instagram a while ago what sort of content you wanted to see in the new year, and there were a lot of food requests, so I thought it might be nice. This morning we're going to have pancakes. It's Sunday morning and we don't have them very often. They're a bit of a treat. They're more like what the boys request on their birthdays and stuff. But I thought it would be really nice to do some pancakes this morning. And yeah, I'll just kind of show you what we're making for the rest of the day. It's a very, very sunny, lovely, wintry morning here. So I don't know how well this is filming because there's so much sunlight coming through the window, which is lovely, but it's kind of like washing out everything. But I'm not complaining at all, it's beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to start making pancakes. Please excuse what I look like. I will get dressed at some point, but you know, new baby life and stuff. So let's make some pancakes. Okay, so sorry again, it is very bright in here right now, which is great for me, but not so great for filming. I'm going to use our pancake pan with these cute little faces on. I've shown this in a video before, but we got it from Amazon and the boys really, really love it. And then I'm sure I don't need to tell you how to make pancakes, but I'm just going to mix my 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk and an egg in this bowl. I don't really add anything more to it than that, but obviously you can. And then make the pancakes, and then I've just cut up some strawberries, got some raspberries, and then I'll probably let them add some like maple syrup and chocolate spread and stuff to the top. But yeah, let's get pancake Don't try and crack an egg one-handed unless you're very clever.
Can you feel me?
Actually come out really, really well. This pan is so good, it's non-stick. So the second batch came out much better, as it always does. I'm having some strawberries and raspberries on mine and some honey, and the boys have got strawberries, raspberries and chocolate spread. This pan, I'm really impressed with it. I'll link it below because you might want to like get something like this for pancake day, which is coming up soon. So yeah, we're already getting in the pancake spirit, but we always love a pancake in this house, so there's no surprise there. Right, I'm dressed. I'm back with you for lunchtime now. Sorry, you can probably hear the dishwasher's on, the washing machine and tumble dryer are going. It's kind of one of those Sundays where we're just trying to get loads of jobs done around the house because things have just been like, you know, slipping lately with the newborn. But I'm going to show you what we're having for lunch. So today we're going to have the M&S Plant Kitchen melt in the middle no fish cakes with some salad and probably some rice as well, so to make like a bit of a salad bowl. So we've got some Capella vine tomatoes, I really like these orange ones, a red pepper, some avocados and some spring onions, which I love in all my salads. And like I said, I'm just gonna put this with some rice, maybe with some sweet corn or something as well. So you might have seen over on my Instagram this month, we've been taking part in the M&S Sparking Change Challenge. Basically, M&S are encouraging the nation to have more plant-based meals each week, not have as much meat, try and double your veg intake basically. So whilst it's not about becoming a vegan or, you know, not eating meat at all, which I personally think my family would find quite hard, I think I could probably do it, or at least be pescatarian, because whilst I was pregnant I really went off eating any meat, especially chicken. I just couldn't eat it. And I love salads and fresh crunchy foods, and don't get me wrong, I do like eating certain meat every now and again, but I could live without it. I'm not sure they could, but I definitely want to have more meat-free meals each week. So that's why I really felt inspired by this challenge. It wasn't like no meat, no, like completely vegan, which I think is a really hard thing to do, especially for a whole family. Unless obviously that's something that you want to incorporate into your lifestyle and have a complete change of diet, then amazing. But for us, that was just a step too far, I think. So this really spoke to me, like, yeah, we can do this. This is achievable. So we've been having more meat-free meals each week, and this is something that I really want to continue on even after this challenge is over. But M&S have a whole range called Plant Kitchen, which is vegan friendly. There have been lots of things we've really enjoyed, like the sticky noodle salad that we had. We've tried their sweet and sour no chicken as well, which was really tasty. So over on the website, there's lots of recipes that you can try if you want to, you know, cook from scratch and make all of your own things. But there's some really tasty ready meals as well, bits that you can pop in the oven if you've had a really busy day. So it makes it really simple. There's also desserts and things which we're gonna have some of later to see what we think of those. So yeah, it's just been a really good option, and this way it's not been a massive change for the kids, and I think they've really enjoyed it. Some of the meals, like the no chicken, things like that, they don't really notice that it's not chicken, because, you know, if you hide it in a nice sauce, put it with other things, it's not really something that they have noticed that much. So I've been really surprised by that. So I'm going to leave a link to the website in the description box below.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh.
So here is our finished lunch, a little rice salad with the Plant Kitchen melt in the middle, no fish cakes. So as I said, this is the first time I'm trying this, so I will let you know what I think. It looks delicious though. Honestly, these are absolutely delicious. This is such a good lunch option, or even dinner. We would have this for dinner. We're always having sort of rice with different vegetables and something, usually probably meat. But this is such a good alternative. So it is now dinner time, it's dark, it's a little bit of a later dinner for us, but I'm going to show you what we're having. For dinner tonight we're having pie, mash and veg. So we've got some baby corn, some fine beans and some tender stem broccoli. I've got some potatoes, probably not the best ones I don't think for making mash, but we'll go with it because that's what Ricky picked up for me. And the M&S Plant Kitchen no beef steak pies. So this is just packed with, it says pea protein and vegetables in a rich mushroom gravy. So again, I haven't tried this one yet. There's so much in the range, but I'm really looking forward to giving this a go.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better?
Dinner time, we have just plated up our no steak pies, mash and veg, and we're going to give it the taste test now. I'll let you tell me what you think first of all.
Okay. Is it going to be boiling hot? Because have you just got literally just got these out?
Yeah. Good.
Really nice. Really hot.
Maybe we should let
Really
it cool
hot.
down a bit.
But yeah, no, it's really nice.
I'm so sorry we don't have the best angles in this video. I'm ordering a new tripod because I don't know if I said it earlier in the video, but half of my tripod got left in a car when I went to do a shoot last week, which I only realised today.
Is that your first bit?
It's really nice. delicious.
It's actually nicer than some meat pies.
So the last thing I'm going to have tonight is the Plant Kitchen chocolate ice cream. Obviously also vegan. It's a coconut cream ice cream, which I've not tried before. But just like the pie, I think it's really important to try lots of different things because then you'll know what you like. And it's just nice to have, you know, like a healthier vegan alternative if I like it. So I thought I'd give it a go. It smells chocolatey anyway. It's really nice. I don't think you would know that's not got chocolate in it. So I'd say you can definitely taste that that's coconutty. So if you like a coconut taste, then if you like that, you can get the taste of coconut, but it also tastes really creamy and chocolatey. I'd say it was like a little bit lighter than a chocolate ice cream. Maybe if you imagine like a cross between a chocolate ice cream and a sorbet, that's what it tastes like, but chocolate flavoured. I don't know if I'm explaining that very well, but again, this is one that I would 100% have again. So I'm really glad to have tried it. Thank you so much to M&S for inviting us to be part of this challenge. Like I said, it's a national challenge, so anyone can get involved. It's called Sparking Change, and you can find out all about it in the description box below, as well as loads more recipes, as I said, and ideas and inspiration. So I hope you've enjoyed this What We Eat in a Day as a family. They're just some of the kinds of meals that we like, and I found incorporating those plant-based options and taking out the meat has been absolutely fine, and I've not noticed a difference. Neither have the kids, neither's Ricky really. So I can definitely see us eating more like this long term, not just for the length of this challenge. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again very soon.